Craving that gurk but stuck wondering if your Chipotle gift card works its magic on DoorDash? Let's cut to the chase. DoorDash doesn't currently allow you to directly enter a Chipotle gift card as a payment method. Bummer, right? That shiny Chipotle gift card might not work directly, but don't toss it in the drawer just yet. We've got some workaround options to get that burrito bowl delivered. First, check if you can add your Chipotle gift card to your PayPal account. Some gift cards can be linked this way. If you're successful, you can then use PayPal as your payment method on DoorDash. Option to use the Chipotle gift card within the Chipotle app itself to place a mobile order. Then, instead of delivery, select Pickup. Next, either grab it yourself or, if you're feeling generous, ask a friend to pick it up for you. This lets you enjoy Chipotle without directly using DoorDash for the entire transaction, but still using their pickup option. A third alternative is to purchase a DoorDash gift card using your Chipotle gift card at select retailers that allow you to do this. Big grocery stores, department stores, and even some gas stations sometimes offer this option. So, while a direct connection is a no-go, these clever solutions can definitely get you closer to satisfying that Chipotle craving via DoorDash, or at least with a little creative maneuvering. Hopefully this helps clarify things, and happy eating!